Fox Focus. A few minutes for a closer look.
Hi everyone, welcome to Fox Focus. It's time for Case or No Case. My name is Melanie Riggs, being joined, of course, by attorney Jeff Pitman from PKSD Law Firm. How are you, Jeff?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing well. What do you have for me today?
So have you heard about the Milwaukee slide?
Well, I have.
Okay. All right. So we're going to talk about that a little bit. Okay. So you are at a unmarked intersection.
Okay.
Okay. So you want to cross the street. Now, traffic that is going in front of you, it's one lane each way. Okay. So it's a side street, and the cars that are going one direction in front of you, okay, they're stopped because there's congestion, okay? Nobody's making a left-hand turn or a U-turn or anything like that. They're just stopped for congestion. A car is approaching these stopped cars and decides that it is going to pass on the right at the intersection, okay? Now, you are going to start crossing the street because, look, it seems to be safe, right? All of a sudden, this car passes on the right and hits you, and you're severely injured as a result of that. So, case or no case against the driver who decided to pass on the right, or what we now call the Milwaukee slide, at this intersection.
I would definitely assume there's a case.
There is a case, okay, and this is really, really important why this is illegal, okay? The fact is that a person can only, on a side street like that, where traffic's only going one direction each way, a person can only pass on the right if the person ahead of them is either making a left-hand turn or a U-turn.
Makes sense.
Okay, and then they can only pass on the right if there is paved street there or a paved shoulder so that you can have two lanes that's safe to pass.
Right.
Okay? Otherwise, they cannot pass on the right. So this Milwaukee slide is very illegal, very unsafe, and I hope people stop doing it because it's costing people their lives sometimes.
Yeah.
So there would be a case against the driver who tried to pass on the right.
Yes, okay. That's really good information
It
to
is.
know.
Yep.
If you have a tricky scenario, you want to know whether or not you have a case, all you have to do is dial the threes. That's 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.
Interested in appearing on Fox Focus? Email us at foxfocus@fox6now.com.